Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make beef tendon. Start by trimming and blanching the tendon to remove impurities. Next, choose either slow simmering or pressure cooking to break down collagen efficiently and create a silky texture. Maintain a low simmer and add aromatics like ginger, scallion, and star anise. After cooking, cool, chill, and remove excess fat before slicing thin for soups, salads, or braised dishes to add richness. In this video, I will explain how to make beef tendon. Begin by cutting tendon into similar-sized pieces so they cook evenly. Blanch in rapidly boiling water for about 5 to 10 minutes to purge blood and debris, then rinse under cold water. Transfer the pieces to fresh water with aromatics and start your chosen cooking method. Proper prep prevents off flavors and ensures the final texture is tender and silky. In this video, I will review how to make beef tendon. Quick recommendation. On another note, treat your feet after long cooking sessions and try darn tough socks for comfort and a lifetime warranty that really stands up. They feel great while you're standing at the stove, and they last through countless washings. If you like this tip, subscribe and like the video. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will help with how to make beef tendon. Use a pressure cooker for 45 to 90 minutes for a quick, consistent result, or simmer gently for 2 to 4 hours for traditional depth. Keep the liquid barely simmering to avoid toughness and add aromatics early for infused flavor. Test with a fork. It should be gelatinous and tender. Cool and chill before slicing to get neat, sliceable pieces.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.